What's going on, everybody? I appreciate y'all tuning to the channel this morning here at 323 Fabrication. It is such a beautiful Saturday morning and I am so excited. I'm telling y'all, just look at it. Just look at it. Front end's on the car. Figured y'all kind of, understood how that goes together. I mean, it's just nuts and bolts, but and some screws. But we got the front end on the car. Went ahead and did that yesterday. My PCV valve came in. I'll show y'all that real quick. I threw that in there. Other than that, the plan today, I cleaned the hood hinges up. They had some sharp edges on them from where I built them. And the pieces on the hood, which it's leaning up over there. Cleaned up the shop a little bit. Nothing real crazy. Exciting happened yesterday. Wipers, parking brake, that's the two main things left on the list so far as stuff I really want to get done. Carpet's got to be put in the car, but I'm going to wait till last. Michael Swain Graphics is coming the 8th and 9th, which is Thursday and Friday of next week, to letter the car. I'm super excited about that, but the plan for today is I'm going to work on the tune a little bit, drive this thing down to the gas station, put some fuel in it because it doesn't have much in it. The gnats are bad, sorry. And start ironing that out and then see where we get from there. Maybe try to get the wipers done today because that shouldn't be too terribly difficult. I just got to figure out what I did wrong when I wired them up the first time and then put the arms and the wipers on it anyway. Maybe wash the car. Car's really dirty. But all that stuff's fun, so I appreciate y'all tuning in with us. Let's get started. Check this thing out, man. It looks like a car again. It's just dirty. Got a good stance to it. It's sitting up higher than it was, I believe, but it's not too bad. I still really like it. Oh, I love it. All right, so PCV valve is right there. Got some hose clamps on it because it was probably 1/4 inch instead of 3/8, but it works. It should serve its purpose. That's it. That's the only thing that's changed other than the fact, I think I showed it in the last video, or I might put it in this video. I can't remember. Got a lot of footage to go through, y'all. But I did open the hole up in the throttle blade. That way I could close the throttle blade and try to work on the IAC. Get the percentage down and get it where it'll idle a little bit lower because I had it this pretty well as far open as the adjustment screw would go. And about 900 is about as low as I can get the motor to idle. But you're going to have to bear with me because I am not a professional tuner in any manner. This is my first time dealing with Holley. I have a little bit of experience on HP tuners with our LS swapped S10, which when this is done and I get the 2 turbo cars out of the shop, I'm going to fix my S10 which I'll drive this a bunch, but driving the dually every day, it's kind of expensive. So that is the plan. Let's get going. Alright, I opened up this hole in the throttle body a little bit so that I could close the blade some and try to get the IAC back in check. Yesterday. I love them. They're awesome. So got those stickers for the Gasser and got the S10 stickers. Super sweet. First bath in a little over a year. It's been about 13 months, give or take a few days, since the balancer came apart on the car last year. It is now LS swapped. It's got a 5.3 with a big fat camshaft. It's on a Holley Terminator X and has a T56, so we have overdrive now. This should be a real good driver car. Obviously got to get the tune ironed out, but I wanted to wash it and let y'all see what it looked like clean, because it hasn't been clean in a long time. And I'm fitting to get in it and go to town. We're gonna go grab some lunch, put a few miles on it, start working on ironing some stuff out. But I just love seeing it out here in the wild, out in the sunshine. It's a little warm today, but you know, AC's for old people. I'm just kidding. There it is. I'm excited. Hope y'all are excited. I hope you're gonna give this video a thumbs up, because we got to drive the car down to the gas station, put some fuel in it, tell your friends about it. If you're not subscribed, just the kind of stuff we do. Turbo kits, LS swaps, old muscle cars. We got a GTO, we got some 57s. We're gonna build a whole chassis for Dad's Studebaker, so that'll be like a ground up build. It should be really cool. But if you like this kind of stuff, subscribe to the channel. I'd appreciate it. And as always, y'all get out there and drive your cars and be blessed.